Hi, and welcome to the month of September. Now, if you've been following me, you'll know that I was in a car accident in August, and I'm navigating some of those reactions that my body's been having. So, I may not be as bright and perky as you're used to, however, my heart is here and I will give you my best. In September, we are in the topic of discerning what's true for you. This is a really important topic for all of us as we stir the energy of fall and starting to move toward harvesting what we want for 2021. And then, of course, the holidays are ahead of us. So September is a wonderful time to start discerning what is true for you. What are you thinking? What are you feeling? What's in your heart? What's true? We're going to go through 4 different practices under this topic. Week 1 will be about making decisions. How do we make decisions when our minds are stirred and our emotions are peaking and we don't know which way to head? Week 2 will be acting from your truth. Once you're able to make a decision, you want to be able to act from that decision to stay in touch with your truth and to let that guide you forward. Week 3 will be radical trust. And I just want to point toward a movie called Evan Almighty. If you've ever seen it, this is a character who basically becomes Moses among all kinds of people going against him and telling him he's crazy and his family leaving. And he stood for radical truth, no matter what, radical trust, no matter what. He kept going with what he knew was his to do. So we're going to take a look at Evan Almighty, that movie, when we get to that week. And for the 4th week, we'll have standing harmlessly for your truth. Now, this is important because sometimes people feel they need to get defensive once they know what their truth is. They fight for it. I want to teach you, through THEA teaching me, how to stand harmlessly for your truth. Stand in integrity and on solid ground within yourself. So that's our ride during the month of September, and my hope is that we'll be able to learn side by side. And remember, videos come out every Sunday at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, the 4 video teachings that THEA is taking us through, and every Thursday from 7 maybe till 7:15 Mountain Standard Time on Facebook, we'll have a live Q&A where we can discuss our learnings together. I hope to see you soon, and thanks for tuning in to THEA and to myself. And as THEA always likes to say, thank you for your brilliance.